Hello everyone. In this video, we will be going to talk about policies in IAM. So let us understand what do you mean by a policy. A policy is a document which defines some permission to perform a specific action on a resource under some specific condition. This document is written using JSON format. Now let us see what are the components of a policy. First of all, it will contain a version. Next, it will contain a statement. There can be one or multiple statements inside a policy. Inside the statement, we can specify four things: effect, action, resource, and condition. In this given example, a policy is made which can read all the objects present in an S3 bucket named as example bucket. Now here we are defining the version. Next, we are defining an statement. Inside the statement, we are defining effect, which is allow, action, which is S3 get object, resource on that example bucket name. So this is how you create a policy in AWS. Now let us see a demo of how we can create this in AWS. So first of all, let me copy this thing. Next, I am going to AWS Management Console and I am clicking here IAM. Next, I will click on Policies. Next, what you have to click on? Create policy. Here, in the policy editor, I am going to choose as JSON. Next, I am editing it and I am pasting my role. Once it is done, what I will do? I will click on Next. Here, you have to give policy a name. Let us say I am giving the name as S3 read only. Next, you have to click on Create Policy. Now you can see that your S3 read only policy is created. So if you search here S3 read only, it will show you. So here you can see the service is S3 that I am using. The access level is only read permission. The bucket name is example bucket and there is no condition applied. In AWS, there are two types of policies. First one is AWS managed and the second one is customer managed. So policies that are created by AWS to make our life easier is called as AWS managed policies. So if you go inside any policies, you can see that these policies are defined. Now you can use these policies directly. In customer managed policies, what you are going to do, you are creating a custom based policy on your own. For example, in the previous video we have seen that we have created a S3 read only. So this read only is customer managed policy because it is created by a user.